Lately, something really strange has been going on in our house. It was like there's a strange noise that kept happening upstairs, and I could never catch what it was. So the other day, I set up a camera to try to see what it was, to catch it. And sure enough, I managed to catch something really, really strange. So I want you guys to watch this and tell me what you think. What is that? What is he doing? That cat is the weirdest cat in the world. It's like he's broken. Somebody please tell me what is going on. I'm pretty sure my cat is not a cat. What is it? I don't know.